Hey boss, looking good today.
Ha, thanks. You're in a good mood.
Always, your shop is the best.
That's my clever bird.
And Oilman possessed a parrot which used to amuse him with its agreeable prattle, and to watch his shop when he went out. One day, when the parrot was alone in the shop, a cat upset one of the oil jars. When the oilman returned home, he thought that the parrot had done this mischief.
How did this happen?
You blasted bird, get out!
And in his anger he smote the parrot such a
Stay down!
blow on the head as made all its feathers drop off,
Because I said so!
and so stunned it that it lost the power of speech for several days. But one day the parrot saw a bald-headed man passing the shop, and recovering its speech, it cried out, "Pray!" He showed down his head and asked him, "Whose oil jar did you upset?"
Hey, mister!
What is it?
Look over here!
I'm looking, what do you want?
Hello! Hello!
All right, I hear you! My baldness is from age, not a blow.
A blow took my feathers
The
and your
passers-by
hair.
smiled
you
at the
silly
parrot's
bird, they're
mistaken,
unrelated.
confounding
The parrot's
baldness
got it
caused
all
by
wrong.
age
Wrong?
with the loss of
Never.
its own feathers due to a blow. Spiritual senses are the ladder of heaven. Worldly senses are the ladder of earth.